I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Coros heart rate monitor with your Apple Watch. First, ensure your Coros monitor is charged and powered on. Many Coros monitors, like the armband, offer up to 38 hours of continuous heart rate tracking on a single charge. Next, place the monitor securely on your forearm or bicep, ensuring good skin contact for accurate readings. This initial step is crucial for a reliable connection and precise data capture during your workouts. Now let's configure your Apple Watch. On your watch, navigate to the Settings app, then tap on Bluetooth. You should see your Coros heart rate monitor listed under Devices. Select it to pair. Once connected, a small check mark will appear next to its name, confirming the successful link. This ensures your Apple Watch is ready to receive the precise heart rate data directly from your Coros device, enhancing the accuracy of your fitness metrics. With your Coros monitor paired, open the workout app on your Apple Watch. Before starting an activity, swipe down or scroll to the bottom of the workout type you've chosen. Here, you'll find Heart Rate Source. Tap this and select your Coros monitor from the list. This ensures the workout app prioritizes data from your external sensor, providing more accurate and consistent heart rate readings throughout your exercise session, typically updating every 1 to 2 seconds. To maximize your experience, always ensure your Coros monitor's firmware is up to date using the Coros app. Also, remember to charge it regularly. A full charge often provides over 30 hours of use. For best accuracy, position the monitor snugly on your forearm, about 2 to 3 finger widths below your elbow. Consistent use of this setup will provide richer, more reliable heart rate data, helping you track your fitness progress with greater precision and insight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.